Paying attention to details is very important. In this video, I'll talk about a few things that you need to know. Most advanced traders, most traders who are stable in their career, they know this, they do this already. It's patience and understanding markets and levels. And what are you trading against? Volume profile provide that detail beautifully. It is very beneficial. Um, to be clear, let me give you an example. What you see here in front of you is the SPX 500, and I drew a level here to be a trigger for a possible short should the market goes there. Now, why did I do that? Volume profile is indicating at this time that there is a chance for the market to go through this area. And this is a weekly chart, so this is a very long term chart. This is for people who trade, who do swings, etc. Right? Most importantly, this level here, this price, I drew this price, indicating that an entry into this yellow level could bring it back all the way up, which means you cannot have a stop loss above this area. I mean, should be at this area, just above this line. That is the logic behind it. Now, when you see something like this, you don't know what's next. Is it a short? Is it a long? Logically speaking, it looks like a short from this arrow and from how it's behaving since the beginning of 2022 or even earlier, since December 2021. So logically, yes, it is a short, but where do I get in? How do I get in? And what is my stop loss? You have to look into from the weekly, you have to switch back to the daily. The daily showing me now, look at the daily, two beautiful power lines stopped it right on its tracks and it bringing it back down. This is the daily. Now, is this sufficient for me to grab a short? Still, I don't think so. I mean, to me, it's attractive. It's. Then I'll go to the. This is the daily, which means it is historical data. Intraday data, it's 1 day, which means I did 1440 1440 minutes chart, which is 1 day. This is intraday data, which gives me the same idea of the daily. We still have to overcome the stop loss. Where is my stop loss? Stop loss has to be somewhere. In this case, see, now I'm changing this into this. See, now we have a little bit more decisive area for me to choose my stop loss. Stop loss could be above 41.16. What's the next? What's next? What do I do next? Now I'm seeing this picture. What do I do next? Do I short the market? Let me look at the hourly. I'll switch to the hourly. Uh-huh. Do you think this is a good level for you to short the market, given the fact that the E-mini, or sorry, the SPX 500 is trying to struggle through this level, which is a power line, double power lines actually, two DRLs back to back, one of them 15 minutes, the other one is 45 minutes DRLs that are stopping it. Do you think this is a good level for you to get in short? Absolutely not. It could be a breakdown from here. It could break down from here down to here, but most likely it's not going to happen. It might go back up and to a new high. Think about it this way. On the short term, on the hourly, this is an uptrend. So you have to understand that this is an uptrend still. We still have not gotten to the level of our interest, which is this level here, and stop losses would be above there. And again, even then, we have to decide at that time. So looking at volume profile, you are avoiding a lot of headache. You are avoiding a lot of missed trades or stops. Even if you can go can go down to as low as 15 minutes and even 987 tick chart. See, even in a 15-minute chart, I don't see a need for the trade. I'm looking at the volume profile. I'm kind of smooth the edges. See, it's still there's support. There's no need to get into this. It is, to me, it's noise. It might come back down. It might go back up, and that's not how you should be trading. It might, or I think, or I feel. It's not a trigger for trading. You have to anticipate the move, you have to confirm the move, and you have to know where your stop loss is. Okay, 987 tick chart, same idea. Look at that. If I give you this, it is struggling to break this small little intersection, as you see. So I'm smoothing the edges for you to see it. Now there is a possibility breakdown below this area, but it could be a partial breakdown or a fake breakdown just to lift the market up. So you have to be aware of things like that. You have to be filtering your trades. If this is not for me, I'll just pass it. I'll go to another instrument. I'll look at, for example, pound yen, see what I have. I'll look at euro US, see what I have. USD CAD, or even gold, so on and so forth. Okay, thank you.